welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we're going to celebrate the birthday of my nephew, and we're going to Laguna Water Park. See ya!
To my YouTube channel, and this is Laguna Water Park.
Laguna Water Park is an aquamarine paradise full of slides, sea and fun, and it is located in La Mer. And after minutes of walk, we arrived in the destination. This is where we took our ticket. We had an online ticket. And yes, we took our ticket through Cubone, which is about 95 dirhams with free meal. And that pink wristband indicates for a free meal. And as part of their protocol, they need to check our things.
So we're here. This is a nice Daisy.
And if you want to buy a new swimwear, don't worry. They have a shop at the entrance.
Here in front of this Laguna Water Park. So this is the entrance. We're very excited.
And yes, you need to rent a locker for your things. You can rent whatever size you want, small, medium, or large. And for us, medium is enough. And before anything else, I would like to show you the amazing washroom. And now I'm excited to show you what's inside the Laguna Water Park.
Try the ride. See ya!
Let's go with the flow on Laguna's lazy river. It can be enjoyed by the entire family, but be ready for the surprises along the way. You can just stay on the side and just enjoy the moment.
Did you enjoy?
And it will not be complete without a picture. And we went to Aqua Play. And we tried the fun here. And these slides can also be used by both kids and adults like us. Enjoyed by a 5-year-old boy and by us. And yes, even me, I enjoyed this aqua play.
So we're very happy here.
And then we tried the splash pad. And in between those moments, we paused for a break and had a lunch.
So we're here in the queue to take our food, free meal. And these are the choices.
And for the meantime,
So we're going upstairs to eat our lunch. And this is it.
and the view is very amazing. And with this view, we need a post like this.
The beach, the relax zone, and the slide tower over there.
And you can also relax in cabanas like this.
Get that balloon. Huh? Who gave you that balloon? Asa daw?
And while going to the next destination, we enjoyed the view. And yes, we will take this ride. And to tell you honestly, my heart is beating so fast at this moment. And yes, I did it!
So I'm here in the pool of this Laguna Water Park. And this is their infinity pool.
And it has a poolside cafe where you can order your drinks, juices, and coffees. Plus, you can drive and sing along with them. Plus a special song number for our birthday Zeus.
Happy birthday to you.
And indeed, this place has a lot of fun moments. And yes, we continued the celebration at home. Special thanks to Ate Jihan for the catering of our food and Kuya Joey for this delicious cake. And I would like to say thank you for the parents of Zeus for sponsoring this celebration. If you think this video is helpful for you and your friends, please don't forget to share this video. And hey, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe now. See ya!